Welcome to Seasoned Shorts, where food meets fun, facts, and folklore. Today, our animated chef Duey C.K is taking you on a Hanukkah journey filled with crispy golden latkes and rich traditions. Let's dive in. First, gather your ingredients. 4 large russet potatoes, 1 small onion, 2 large eggs, and a half cup of flour, salt and pepper to taste, and oil for frying. Start by peeling and grating the potatoes and onion. Squeeze out as much moisture as possible using a clean kitchen towel. This step is crucial for getting that perfect crispy texture. In a large bowl, mix the grated potatoes and onion with the eggs, flour, salt, and pepper until well combined. Heat the oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Drop spoonfuls of the mixture into the hot oil, flattening them slightly with the back of the spoon. Fry until golden brown on both sides, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Remove and drain on paper towels. While the latkes are cooking, Duey shares the story of Hanukkah, the Festival of Lights, commemorating the rededication of the Second Temple in Jerusalem. The miracle of the oil lasting 8 days is why we enjoy fried foods during this season. Serve your latkes hot, topped with sour cream or applesauce. Enjoy this festive treat with family and friends, celebrating traditions old and new. So, tie on your apron and let's get cooking with Seasoned Shorts, where every recipe is a bite-sized adventure.